होता है उसके पीछे एक कारण होता है, एक रीजन होता है, एक मकसद होता है. We are here to celebrate womanhood. Shubh Star Miss Mrs. India 2020 confidently glorious. I think this has a lot of meaning hidden to it. I'd like to thank our broadcast partners, MH1, for your consistent support, and thank you so much for joining us in making this even bigger and even better. I would like to welcome our esteemed jury, Ms. Siddhi Gupta, Ms. Sudha Jain, and Mr. Ramveer Singh. I would request our guests to please join us for the lamp lighting ceremony. To please join us on stage for the lamp lighting ceremony. Zoda तालियों के साथ Miss Asha Badola, Mr. Mohit Navani, IHR CCO, to please join us on stage for the lamp lighting ceremony. Please put your hands together for esteemed jury members, Miss Siddhi Gupta, Miss Sudha Jain, and Mr. Ramveer Singh. We are going to witness 10 Miss and 8 Misses this evening. First round, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be in the traditional attire. It's a beautiful sari that all these contestants are going to wear and walk the ramp. This is going to be the first round, everyone, in which all the contestants come here one by one, wearing, draping a beautiful sari, and it is also known as the introduction. Well, ladies and gentlemen, next up here, we are going to have an international artist amongst us, Mr. Dito Joy. He's going to beatbox for all the 18 contestants who walk the ramp. So please put your hands together as I take my steps back and the contestants start walking here one by one. So ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath as we present to you the models for round 2, the Indian ethnic round.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for all these gorgeous looking contestants up here on stage, for all our models. Let's not stop ourselves from cheering for all the contestants up here. show you our designer, Mrs. Ricky Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for our designer, Mrs. Ricky Singh. Next up, we present to you the third round, which is going to be the party wear gown round. I would go backstage and call the contestants up here on stage one by one. Deserve a big hand. We're going to have 10 subtitles.
And the meaning of the Family with a Vision is you have to take care of the responsibility of Shubh Star crown, Shubh Star responsibility, Shubh Star mottos, Shubh Star's rule.
And she do walk the ramp with poise and joy. Family Vision category, please put your hands together for Ashita and Renu. Moving on to the next category, I would invite and request Miss Sonal Datta along with Mr. Ditto Roy to please join us on stage. Thank you so much. She has been a wonderful support. Please give it up for this wonderful lady up here on stage. We've got the Miss Talented. And in the Miss category, Miss Talented, it's Deepa Kashyap. In the Mrs. category, we've got Miss Talented, Mrs. Manpreet. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Miss Deepa and Mrs. Manpreet. got Aarti Topo as being the winners of the Miss Pleasing Personality. In the Mrs. category, we got Manpreet once again. Can we have Manpreet joining us in front for being the pleasing personality? Please give it up for the pleasing personality, Aarti Topo. Congratulations. Mrs. Manpreet for being the pleasing personality. For the next category, it is the interactive media, somebody who has gained popularity over the social media. I would once again call the winners in front. Thank you so much and congratulations. I would request both of you to stay back for the next category as well. For being the Miss Talented, I would invite on stage and request Miss Deepa Kashyap to please be in front. And for being the Mrs. Talented, I would request Mrs. Manpreet to please join us in front. Please give it up for being the winners of the Crowning Glory, Miss Nilima and Mrs. Suman Soni. To please walk the ramp. I would request Mrs. Radhika Rajput for being the winners of the Mrs. category to please join us in front. I would request Miss Tanvi to join us in front for being the winners of the Best Ramp Walk. Please put your hands together for the winners, Miss Tanvi for the Best Ramp Walk and Mrs. Radhika Rajput for the Best Ramp Walk. And of course, because you are the winners in the Best Ramp Walk, we just can't let you go without walking the ramp along with the veteran Sindhi Gupta. Go on, ladies, bring it on. Let the world see the smile.
नहीं करी, वो नहीं करी।
We ladies, we believe in the shine theory. That if I shine, I want you to shine, and if you shine, only then I will shine. And ladies here on stage have completely set by that statement that all of us, we are powerful together. All of us, we can achieve everything in what we want in life. And hats off to everyone who has come here, has been a part of this fantastic team. This is the season 1, and of course season 2 is going to be even better. Thank you so much. I'd like to thank the jury members for all your patience and support. Thank you so much, Siddhi. Thank you so much, Sudan. Thank you so much, Ramveer. You guys have been very patient so far. Also, thank you so much our broadcast partners, MH1. I'd like to thank Flora Heritage once again for their wonderful support. I'd like to thank the entire team of Lakme for their flawless makeup and hair. I'd also like to thank Neha and Gitika for such a helping hand. Well, coming on to the 10 top finalists.
All right, everyone. Moving on to the next thing we have here is the question, the jury question and answer round. I would request the jury to please keep asking the questions to our contestants one by one, and I'll be happy to ask them the same in Hindi and English.
I just made it clear for everyone that the question, a single question for all top 5 Miss category is meaning of your name and describe how you spread that meaning in your life. आपके नाम का मतलब क्या है और उस नाम को, नाम का जो आपका मतलब है, उसको आप कैसे अपनी लाइफ में स्प्रेड करना चाहती है. So Deepa and all other 5 Miss, this is a question for you all, and congratulations to entire 10 of a group. Thank you so much.
Thank you judges for asking me the question. As my name is Deepa, and Deepa means either light or lamp, and I think it has a great value, as light is nothing in front of the sun, but it's everything in the darkness and in the night. It spreads light everywhere. So this is the meaning of my name. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We're looking forward for the second one. You are a lovable personality, नेहा, और आप सब लोगों को बहुत प्यार करती है. तो आप हमें बताएं कि this is your meaning of a life.
प्यार से मैं ये समझती हूँ कि हम प्यार बांट सकते हैं किसी को भी. तो मेरे हिसाब से मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि प्यार जैसे हम किसी से करते हैं तो उसको हम और खुश कर सकते हैं अपने तरीके से. मेरे हिसाब से मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि खुश करने को हम जैसे.
Ashita, thanks for the question, ma'am. The meaning of my name is synonym of river Yamuna, and it also means success. As it is said, पंछी नदियाँ पवन के झोंके कोई सरहद ना इन्हें रोके. Both are limitless and both go beyond boundaries. So set your own horizons. Celebrate each milestone that you have set up for yourself in your life, and because after all it is your life, it is your mantra of life. Live life to the fullest and celebrate each moment, and don't wait for the moments, create them yourself. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
मेरा नाम आरती है और आरती का मतलब होता है एक दीप, दीपावली, जो सब रोशनी फैलाना और दुनिया को रोशन करना. मेरे नाम का मतलब है आरती, और आरती का मतलब है भगवान की पूजा करना। थैंक यू।
Hi Sejal. So it's the same question to you. So go ahead.
Myself Sejal. Sejal means pure, and I'm a fun-loving girl and a pure-hearted girl.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, Renu. How are you? I'm good too. Thank you. So Renu, the question for you is: if you were to pick 3 words to describe yourself, what would those words be? आप खुद को 3 शब्दों में describe करिए.
बिल्कुल। मैं अगर 3 शब्दों में अपने आप को डिस्क्राइब करूँगी तो फर्स्ट मैं अपने आप को कहूँगी पैशनेट, एंड सेकंड मैं अपने आप को डिस्क्राइब करूँगी जॉयफुल, एंड थर्ड मैं अपने आप को डिस्क्राइब करूँगी टीम प्लेयर। यस।
So please describe this word. You feel that.
पैशनेट आया मैम। पैशनेट के लिए मैं कहूँगी कि मैं कोई भी अगर काम लेती हूँ तो उसको बड़ा मेहनत से और अपनी इच्छा शक्ति से करती हूँ, बहुत मेहनत से, कि एक काम अगर मैंने ले लिया तो बस फिर मेरा टारगेट यही रहता है कि वो मुझे कंप्लीट करना है ऑन टाइम, समय पे। और टीम प्लेयर के लिए मैं ये कहूँगी कि मेरा मानना है कि सबके साथ मिलकर हर काम किया जा सकता है। जैसे कि मैं कहूँगी टुगेदर कि टीम प्लेयर का मतलब है सबके साथ मिलकर काम करना। और जैसे एक उंगली होती है तो एक उंगली होती है, बट 5 उंगलियां मिलकर मुट्ठी बनती है, मिलकर आप सब काम कर सकते हो। एंड जॉयफुल के लिए मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि मैं हमेशा खुश रहती हूँ, क्योंकि जब तक आप खुश नहीं रहोगे तो आप दूसरों में कैसे खुशियाँ बांट सकते हो। तो यही मेरी पर्सनैलिटी है और यही 3 शब्दों में मैं अपने आप को डिस्क्राइब करना चाहूँगी। थैंक यू मैम।
Thanks a lot. Lovable and goal-oriented. Lovable. I am lovable because I love the way I am, especially my spine. I am goal-oriented because whatever I want, I achieve in my life because of patience and my hard work. Patience. As a special educator and a social worker, patience is the biggest thing in dealing with special needs children. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And what about the first word? Sorry? Lovable, patient and what was your third?
Goal-oriented.
Goal-oriented.
Yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच।
गुड इवनिंग जजेस। मेरा फर्स्ट प्यार है, देन सेकंड केयर, देन थर्ड है नर्वस। मैं बहुत जल्दी नर्वस हो जाती हूँ, बट इस शो पे आके ना थैंक यू फॉर सुधी मैम, इन्होंने मेरी नर्वसनेस बिल्कुल ख़त्म कर दी। मेरे को इतना डर लगता था और मैं अपने बेबी को छोड़ के आई थी। मैं इतनी ज़्यादा सैड थी कि मेरा क्या होगा, मैं कैसे जाऊँगी घर, कैसे मैनेज करूँगी। दैट मैम कहते हैं सो ओके, आप चले जाओगे, आप आराम करो, वेट करो, इतनी टेंशन मत लो। मैम ने मेरी नर्वसनेस कम की और शो के लिए लाइक बनाया, इसलिए थैंक यू सो मच मैम। एंड लविंग, मेरे को प्यार, हाँ पता नहीं, मेरे को मैं जैसी हूँ सब मेरे को बहुत जल्दी प्यार कर लेते हैं। और मेरी लाइफ में मेन जो है मेरी सेसा है शिखा, देन सेकंड मेरे हबी जो मेरे को इतना प्यार करते हैं। और केयरिंग मेरी सब बहुत ज़्यादा केयर करते हैं, एंड मैं सब भी बहुत केयर कर दिया। प्लीज थैंक यू सो मच लवली जजेस।
Thank you so much.
मैं अपनी फैमिली की और साथ में जो भी होता है उसकी केयर करती हूँ। वैसे मैं एक औरत हूँ, हुस्न है, रंग है, खुशबू है, अदा है मुझ में, मोहब्बत है, इबादत है, वफा है मुझ में। तुम पूछते हो क्या है मुझ में, मैं एक औरत हूँ, वफा है मुझ में। थैंक यू सो मच। 3 शब्दों में एक औरत को व्याख्या नहीं की जा सकती है, लेकिन मैं कोशिश की है 3 शब्दों में अपने आप को प्रस्तुत करने की। थैंक यू सो मच।
Myself, Rajni Rani. Me in 3 words is independent, passionate, and a learner. Independent means I am living my life independently, and I am nurturing my daughter independently for past 12 years. And passionate, I am passionate for my dreams. I have big dreams and I want to achieve each one of them with great passion. And a learner, I am in a learning mode every time. I want to learn each and everything that is taught by my mentors and each step of my life at everywhere, every place. Thank you so much.
Being a woman myself, I think we ladies, we believe in the shine theory. That if I shine, I want you to shine. And if you shine, only then I will shine. And ladies here on stage have completely set by that statement that all of us, we are powerful together. All of us, we can achieve everything in what we want in life. And hats off to everyone who has come here, has been a part of this fantastic team. This is the season 1, and of course season 2 is going to be even better. It's going to be even bigger, and with a lot of celebrities, of course. This time we also witnessed a lot of them. We're going to have the first runner-up, the second runner-up, and the winners. Request Miss Sonal along with Miss Shalini to please join us at the center stage to do the honors and give away the titles of Miss and Mrs. Shubh Star 2020. I would once again request Sonal and Shalini to please join us here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the winners are right here. To begin with the Miss category and the first runner-up here and there. For being the second runner-up in the Miss category, I would request Neha to please join us in front with a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Please give it up for being the winners, being the runners-up of the Miss category, Miss Neha. Can we have you in front? Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, this needs to be huge and this needs to be bigger. Once again, congratulations for being the runners-up again. I would request Miss Sejal to join us in the center stage. Please give it up for Sejal for being the runners-up of the Miss Shubh Star, Mrs. and Miss 2020. Please give it up for Miss Sejal. For being the first runners-up, ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Sejal. May you achieve bigger heights. May you be an inspiration to all other ladies around. And for being the winners of the Miss category, Shubh Star, Miss and Mrs. 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Miss Deepa. And celebrations. May all good things come your way. Wish you all the very best for life. Sejal, and Deep, and for leading the way and for joining us here. Congratulations once again. Please give it up for Miss Shubstar 2020, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep the energy flowing. Let's keep the energy going. जोरदार तालियां बजाते रहिए. Let the energy shouldn't stop. Deepa, this is yours. You have earned it. You have made your way to here, and you surely have a long way to go. All right, moving on, and starting with the second runner-up, I call on stage Mrs. Manpreet. Can we have you in front for being the second runner-up in the Mrs. category? Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Mrs. Manpreet. Mrs. Manpreet, you are an inspiration to all other ladies around, to all other daughter-in-laws around. Congratulations once again, everyone. Can you give her a big hand? And because you please welcome back to walk your space in your place. Congratulations to being the winners once again. Next up, for being the first runner-up, I would request Mrs. Rajni to please walk the ramp. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Mrs. Rajni for being the first runners-up of Shubstar Mrs. India 2020. Once again, please give it up for being the first runner-up in the Mrs. Shubstar India category 2020. Congratulations once again, Rajni. Walk your way, walk your ramp. The moment for which all the misses have been waiting for. Now, congratulations, Divya. Congratulations to all the ladies who are here. Congratulations to all the girls who are here. All of you, trust me, you are shining this evening and you still have a long way to go. This is just a title. These titles will keep on coming in your life. Please give it up once again for being the winners, Deepa and Divya. Congratulations once again, Deepa and Divya. It is also a coincidence, D and D. Congratulations, ladies. I would request everyone to please Paul on stage for a moment. And congratulations to the winners once again. Thank you so much everyone for being a part of